is 8:13 right now, and today is Thursday, July 23rd. And this is called Pro Wheels Tire Shop. I've been coming here for many years. And it's a great place to come if you need air put in your tires or what have you, a tire repaired, or just to get an old tire until you can get a new one. Yeah, and so when the tires are flat like this, I just ask for, give me another tire or something, old tire. But because this is like probably my third time driving the car since I got it from Gerber Collision. But yesterday I was pulling weeds in the front yard, and I kind of cleaned that area up. But before I did that, I looked out the window and I'm like, that tire looks low across the street. I said, really, it looks flat. And sure enough, it was flat. And I said, I'll just, and they had street cleaning going on today. I think around 9 o'clock, you had to park to the other side. And I said, I'll just get up early in the morning, put some air in it, and make my way down this way, And so I'm gonna do that. It's Thursday. Time is just flying. It's July 23rd, 2026. So I had some more cat food left. Well, I had taken a lot of canned foods I had left that I bought for Tuxedo, and he got very sick, and I had to take him to the animal welfare place. And cause they don't take open food, so I had this little bag of cat food left, and I just didn't want to throw it away. But so here at the tire shop, I saw this little guy, and I asked them if this was their cat and if he could have the food. And he said, yeah, like put it on the ground. I said, nope, I'm not gonna put the food on the ground. Do you have a container? So he went in there and got the little container, and I put the food in there. So he eating this dry food. Normally they have a tire for this car, but they all out, And so I asked them, can you fix it? So they're gonna see if they can fix the tire, because they didn't have the size to fit this car. So, yep. So I probably just ran over something, Look at enjoying that little dry food. Took a lot of canned food for cats to pause a while ago. So next time I'm out, I'll probably just get some food and drop it by here for that little cat. So it's 2:47, and that's Myers. And that's Ross. This is over on Western and Evergreen Park. So that's Myers. Oh, it's all the way down there. Myers. Oh, it's 2:47, and man, I've been to the laundromat. I've made so many runs today, and it started off. I know yesterday I looked out the window and the tire looked like it was low. I said, really? It looked like it's a flat. But sometimes it can be deceiving where it looks like it's very low to the ground, depending on where it's parked, if it's parked on like one of the humps. But I said, no, this looked like a flat. And so yesterday evening, I went out and pulled weeds in the front yard, and I saw that it was actually a flat. And this morning, they had street cleaning where I would have to move to the other side of the street. So I said, I'll just get up early today and just use that air pumper and make my way to the tire shop that's on 60s. I think it's on, is that like maybe 69th and St. Lawrence or whatever, but it seemed like it's right off of 67 in South Chicago. You know, if you go all the way down to King Drive to around 67 and drive down South Chicago, you run right into it. And I've been going to that tire shop for many years, so I was just going to get another tire. And I'm glad they didn't have any, because he was able to fix the tire. You know, he said it was a nail in it. So I got that done, left the tire shop, and then I went to Dollar Tree, to the laundromat. I got me some coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. And then I went to Sam's Club, went into Walmart, and just left out of Myers. So I'm on my way home now. It's been a long day. I really wanted to take some things to Goodwill, but I'll do that tomorrow. I need to get this stuff out the car. Today is Thursday. This is when they say the darndest things. Now, this is amazing. All this stuff he got on this truck. Oh my God. I mean, they have that saying, the darndest things.